Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on home heating with Reliant Energy, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To save on home heating with Reliant Energy, start by reviewing your current energy plan. Visit the Reliant Energy website to explore available options. Compare different plans to find the most cost-effective one for your needs. Consider switching to a fixed-rate plan for consistent monthly costs. Next, evaluate your home's insulation. Check for gaps around windows and doors where heat may escape. Seal any leaks with weather stripping or caulking. Upgrade to energy-efficient windows if necessary. Inspect your heating system for efficiency. Schedule a professional maintenance check to ensure everything is operating correctly. Replace filters regularly to improve airflow and efficiency. Set your thermostat to a lower temperature when you're not at home. Consider investing in a programmable thermostat for automated temperature control. Dress warmly during colder months to allow for lower thermostat settings. Use space heaters strategically in rooms you use most often. Make sure to turn them off when not in use for safety and savings. Utilize curtains and blinds to block drafts and keep heat in during colder nights. During sunny days, open blinds to let natural heat in. Finally, monitor your energy usage through the Reliant Energy app. Analyze your monthly reports to identify areas for further savings. By following these steps, you can effectively reduce your home heating costs with Reliant Energy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.